Hi, in this video, I will show you how to create some custom cursors with Elementor, uh, thanks to our plugin. And you will be able to add some predefined style or text, images, or even some icon with SVG files. So, first of all, you need to install our plugin, which is custom cursors for Elementor. You can find it below in the description. So once you get activate the plugin, you can go to any pages or any template of your WordPress website with Elementor. Then for my demonstration, I will go to the front page. I will click edit with Elementor. Once Elementor is loaded, I will go where I want on the page. So it can be a section, it can be a column, it can be a widget. Anywhere you want, you can add a custom cursor. So basically, I want to add a custom cursor on this button, the Shop Now button. So I will click on it. Okay. Then I will go to Advanced tab. And here you can see Weekend Cursor. So I click here and I will enable it. Yes, okay. I can see disable default cursor. So the disable default cursor option is, as you can see here, you can see the default pointer or the default cursor or an end. So you can choose yes. But if it's a button, you will always see an hand since it's an action. But if you're on a section anywhere on your website, if I go here and I activate here the cursor, if I switch off, you can still see the pointer, but if I turn on, there is no more pointer. So that's how it works to disable the default cursor. So I will go back to Shop Now. And I will first deactivate here. Okay, I will go to the button. I will go to the layout, weekend cursor. Okay, so now here you can find cursor type. We got 4 type of cursor. The default, which some predefined style. So you can see at the moment there is 3 style, but we will improve it and add it with the update. So you can see style 1, it's this one. Style 2, it's this one, the same with the plus in the center. And style 3, it's basically a point, a point. So with any of the style, you can go on the style tab and you can have some predefined settings. So you can change the color, you can change the size of the cursor. So basically here 10, I will go way bigger. So yeah, you can see it. And I can change the color too. So dark. So yeah. And the radius border, of course. And if you change, all the style will change depending and according your needs. And as you can see, all the style are always in the style tab. So yeah, now we can add some text as a cursor. So we can see we can cursor by default, but you can add what you want. I will click, I will add something, click here like that. Okay, so yeah, when I'm on the call to action area, so my button, you can see there is the click here, cursor, which appear, and you can style here. So yeah, I can set on red color, and yeah, it appear here. Next one, we can add some image. So yeah, I will add an image. I will add this one. Okay, so yeah, funny. When I'm on the call to action, so it's here. When I'm on the call to action widget, you can see I've got the face, so the image I put here. So you can also choose the size, so you can go smaller. Yeah, like that. And you can select the object feed, the opacity also of the images. So it can be more with more opacity, or you can let it to 0. So yeah. And after we can add some icons. So you can choose a predefined library of SVG right here. So I will choose this one, insert, and yeah, same thing. You can custom it right here, color, red, background color, and also the size, of course. So yeah, that's all you can do. And you can also, of course, upload an SVG file, so you can customize with your custom SVG icons. So yeah, you can add this on any widget, as I said, and also container. It's always in the advanced tab with Can Cursor, so it can work with widget, column, section, uh, yeah, section like with the previous version of Elementor, and also, of course, as it's our case here, with the container. So yeah, whenever you want, you can add a custom custom cursor. Sorry. So yeah, like in this example, when we are in the product section, I can add a custom cursor here, so I can add text. So yeah, shop now, Ooh, buy me, like that. And so yeah, when the customer is here, you can see this. So yeah, we can style it. So yeah, so yeah, it's pretty much you can do what you want and just let place to your imagination. So if you have any question, or if you want to test it on your website, you can go to the description below and check the link to the plugin.